Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshan, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the Windows 10 build 18836. So this was released on February 14 and this is part of the 20H1 development branch. As you can see here, 20H1 development branch, that means it will be released next year, that is 2020 in April. So they released it early and this was released in the skip ahead branch. If you are tuned into that ring, then you will get this update. So if you haven't received update for this build, or like if you are in a fast ring or a slow ring, then there is a video where I show you how to download Windows 10 Insider preview builds or any builds from released by Microsoft in a separate method. So this is an alternative method from downloading from the Windows update. So Windows update is slow and it is the update you receive will be very slow. So this method is very fast, click and download, very easy method. You can download using this method. So I'll link that video down in the description, and you can see a card up top right there, and you can watch that video from there also. As it is a first build from this development branch 20H1, so there are not many changes, only there are fixes, mostly fixes, because as you can see we fixed the only thing they did, we are updating, is the only one thing that I can show you. Most of them are fixes, so that thing is in our light theme, Windows light theme. So let me go to the settings and let's say personalization and themes. So as you can see, Windows Lite has changed to Windows and Lite in the brackets, like it's now official, and it's the Lite theme. They have fixed so many things here. So that is the things that I can show you. Sorry. So other than that, there are not many changes. We will see changes in the future builds. So now this was released on February 14 and I haven't made this video yet because I was exploring this build and seeing if there are any major bugs. I haven't faced any issues, but there are bugs that I am facing. So one of the bugs are when a notification comes through the action center, and when I click on that notification bubble, it doesn't work. It's just clicking on that doesn't work, and it does not take me to the app from where the notification came from, and that is one thing. And second thing, you cannot delete mkv files. So if you are using a video format with .mkv, you cannot delete that. Renaming that file is very hard. So if you can see, if I try to delete this, it doesn't work. If I use even the delete key, if I use the delete key, it doesn't work. So I don't know why it's an issue, and this issue is also present in the Windows 10 build 18336. So I mentioned this in the Insider Hub. Hopefully they will fix it in the next build. So guys, if you want to support this channel, there is a PayPal link down in the description. You can donate as much as you want. So hopefully you like this video. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, like this video, share with your friends, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.